So one of the most important concepts to learn in Microsoft Excel is the pivot table, which is basically a data analysis tool, and using that you can summarize your data in very interesting manner. So for example, if we have this table and we want to summarize the contents by category, we can do that by first of all creating a new tab, which basically keeps everything neat. So we can have a worksheet called pivot, and then we can go to insert, and then we can go to pivot table, and here we are shown this placeholder where we can just select the range. So our range would be this entire thing, so you can just press enter, and now we have this pivot table fields wherein we want to get the summary by category and the price. So basically we can just drag this towards left and we will have all the categories, and then what is the sum of their price. So for example, we have this category fruit, and then we have fruit over here. So we have 100 plus 120 plus 110, so it's about 330. And over here if you'll see, we have this fruit 330. Likewise for furniture and electronics, they have their corresponding values, which is basically sum of these or sum of these for electronics. So this is how you create a very basic pivot table in Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.